Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're bringing you a major update on India's next generation unmanned combat system, the CATS Warrior. As of now, the program is moving full throttle with its first flight expected by 2026. Following extensive ground testing and low-speed taxi trials, this ambitious UCAV project is entering a pivotal phase. What's new? Tata Elxsi has delivered the demonstrator and is now spearheading the design, development, and installation of fuselage assembly jigs for the upcoming flying prototypes. This marks a major industrial milestone in India's UAV ecosystem. Kiran jet turned UAV testbed. To facilitate real-time data linking and unmanned operations testing, HAL has selected a Kiran jet trainer aircraft, which is currently being converted into a test UAV. The second cockpit, once reserved for training pilots, is being transformed with cutting-edge systems to replicate the complex demands of a future combat scenario involving UCAVs. HAL expects the first testbed flight of this modified Kiran jet in the first quarter of next year. Initially, a human pilot will take control for early flights, but soon after it will be operated remotely by a pilot in loop on the ground, mimicking real battlefield conditions where the CATS Warrior will operate without an onboard pilot. Progress on the UCAV itself. Meanwhile, development of the actual UCAVs continues. A major milestone was achieved on January 11th when the ground test of its engine was successfully conducted at HAL's Bengaluru facility. While the tested engine was a lower-powered version, HAL aims to co-develop a more engine tailored for combat operations. Global collaboration insight. In an exciting development, Rolls-Royce has shown keen interest in partnering with HAL to co-develop a small, high-performance engine for these stealthy combat drones. This could mark a critical Indo-global collaboration in the aerospace defense domain. Closing thoughts. With its cutting-edge design, autonomous capabilities, and indigenous engine prospects, the CATS Warrior is shaping up to be a game-changer in India's air combat future. Stay tuned as we track every flight, every breakthrough, and every milestone of this incredible journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in defense technology and aerospace innovation.